What is the Pomodoro Technique?
The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method that breaks work into short intervals, usually 25 minutes, called Pomodoros. Each interval is separated by a brief 5-minute break. This approach helps you stay focused, prevents burnout, and makes big tasks feel more manageable and less overwhelming.
Why mindfulness matters in productivity?
Mindfulness is the practice of being present and fully engaged in the moment. When combined with work routines, mindfulness can reduce stress, boost concentration, and calm the mind. It helps you recognize distractions early, making time management techniques like the Pomodoro even more effective.
How to combine Pomodoro and mindfulness?
Begin each Pomodoro interval with a few deep breaths to center your attention. Work single-mindedly on your task, noticing thoughts that arise without judgment. During breaks, step away from your workspace, stretch, and check in with your body. This approach transforms simple breaks into mindful resets.
Benefits for mental health and focus.
Using both techniques together reduces mental clutter and anxiety. The Pomodoro structure prevents fatigue, while mindfulness breaks decrease stress and improve emotional resilience. Over time, you'll find it easier to stay calm, make better decisions, and boost your overall sense of well-being at work or study.
Tips for beginners.
Start with 1 or 2 Pomodoros a day, and don't worry about being perfect. Use a simple timer and focus on one task at a time. If you get distracted, gently return your focus to your work. With regular practice, combining Pomodoro and mindfulness can become a natural, energizing part of your routine.